Hey everyone, welcome to San Francisco, California, the city where the hills are steep, the fog is mysterious, and the sights are simply spectacular. Today, we're strapping on our walking shoes and taking you on an epic tour of the Golden City's most iconic spots. From the iconic Golden Gate Bridge to the bustling Fisherman's Wharf, San Francisco is a treasure trove of culture, history, and breathtaking views. Whether you're here to indulge in world-class cuisine, or simply get lost in the vibrant neighborhoods, this city has something for everyone. Ready those leg muscles? Let's start exploring the city by the bay. First stop, Pier 39, where the sea lions are the stars, the chowder is served in bread bowls, and the fun never stops. The sea lions first started arriving after the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake, seeking refuge on the docks. They've been lounging here ever since, and now they're practically the celebrities of Pier 39. They're like the unofficial mascots of Pier 39. The number of sea lions can vary from a few dozen to a few hundred, depending on the time of year. As you explore Pier 39, keep an eye out for the Aquarium of the Bay, where you can get up close and personal with local marine life. And don't miss the 7D experience, a thrilling ride that combines 3D visuals with motion seats and special effects. It's like a roller coaster and a video game had a baby. Also, take a spin on the classic San Francisco Carousel. With its hand-painted scenes of the city and brightly colored animals, it's a charming throwback to simpler times. The carousel is one of the few in the world with both sea creatures and land animals. You can't visit Pier 39 without indulging in some classic clam chowder served in a sourdough bread bowl. It's the ultimate comfort food, San Francisco style. And here's a delicious fact. The sourdough bread is made fresh daily by the famous Boudin Bakery. After having a blast exploring Pier 39, it's time to dive into another iconic San Francisco hotspot, the Fisherman's Wharf. To get there, simply walk west along Jefferson Street from Pier 39. Also check out the Musée Mécanique, a museum filled with vintage arcade games and mechanical oddities. It's like a time capsule of fun. Some of the games date back to the early 20th century and still work perfectly. Play a few rounds and see how we stack up against the classics. If you prefer to rub shoulders with famous personalities, Madame Tussauds life-sized wax figures will be sure to delight. But if you're more inclined towards weird and kooky displays, you're better off with Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum, which is located adjacent to Madame Tussauds, along Jefferson Street. As you stroll down Jefferson Street, enjoy the vibrant waterfront atmosphere. To your right, you'll pass the historic ships at Hyde Street Pier, perfect for a quick detour if you're feeling nautical. You can actually board some of these ships and explore their decks. It's like stepping back in time to the golden age of sailing. But don't get too distracted. You've got some wharf wonders to discover. Fisherman's Wharf is a seafood lover's paradise. The Dungeness crab is a local favorite, and you can find it served in a variety of delicious ways. So dig in and savor the flavors of the sea. You've just soaked in the sights, sounds, and delicious seafood of Fisherman's Wharf, but now it's time to find a more tranquil spot by the water at Aquatic Cove. To get there, continue walking west on Jefferson Street. Aquatic Cove is a popular spot for open water swimming, kayaking, and paddleboarding. And here's a cool tidbit. The water may be chilly, but it's a favorite training ground for local swimmers, especially those preparing for the Alcatraz Swim Challenge. Check out the San Francisco Maritime Museum, located right by Aquatic Cove. This historic building is shaped like an ocean liner and offers fascinating exhibits on the city's maritime history. If you need a moment of zen, Aquatic Cove is the perfect spot to sit back, relax, and take in the breathtaking views of Alcatraz Island and the Golden Gate Bridge. The cove is a great place to watch the sunset, with the sky often painted in brilliant hues of orange and pink. After enjoying the tranquil beauty of Aquatic Cove, it's time to indulge your sweet tooth and dive into a world of chocolatey goodness at Ghirardelli Square. To get there, simply head south on Polk Street and turn right onto North Point Street. And here you are, Ghirardelli Square. This historic chocolate factory turned shopping and dining complex is a sweet treat for visitors. Ghirardelli has been making chocolate since 1852, making it one of the oldest chocolate manufacturers in the United States. The Ghirardelli Chocolate Shop is where the magic happens. You can watch the chocolate making process, sample some mouth-watering treats, and maybe even indulge in a decadent sundae. Ghirardelli's signature chocolate squares are made using the finest cocoa beans and a time-honored process. Ghirardelli Square is not just about chocolate. It's also home to a variety of boutique shops, art galleries, and restaurants. Check out the beautiful views of the bay from the upper levels. And don't miss the chance to explore the unique shops offering everything from gourmet treats to handmade crafts. The square was designated a San Francisco landmark in 1965, preserving its historic charm for generations to enjoy. After indulging in some sweet treats at Ghirardelli Square, it's time to walk off those calories with a stroll to one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge. To get there, head northwest along the waterfront, following the scenic path through Crissy Field and the Presidio. As you stroll along the waterfront, enjoy the stunning views of the bay, the historic Fort Mason, the breathtaking Crissy Field, and the scenic Presidio Park. And here you are, your last stop for this tour. The Golden Gate Bridge. This iconic suspension bridge is one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. The bridge's signature international orange color was chosen to enhance visibility in San Francisco's famous fog. Walking across the Golden Gate Bridge is an experience like no other. The views of the bay, the city, and the surrounding hills are simply breathtaking. The bridge spans 1.7 miles and was completed in 1937, a marvel of engineering at the time. And if you're tired from all that walking, you can ride a bike instead. So there you have it, the Golden Gate Bridge, where engineering brilliance, stunning views, and iconic beauty come together in perfect harmony. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of America's finest city. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.